time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan.
No. I said in the room.
One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Break the offer, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset.
Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Let's tap.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Break the offer, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith.
Let's get to TP Lives.
With fear, your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless. Break the offer, profitable mindset.
Let's get to 2K likes, guys. 2K likes so that we can start. Hey, Das, how you doing? How you doing?
Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over
My boss, good morning.
till the goal is won.
Hey, bro, well done. Good morning.
Hold your faith, don't
Okay,
trade
maybe when
with
you start,
fear.
sir.
Your breakthrough
Yeah, how far now?
Who will it 2K first?
Yeah, 2K likes, yeah.
Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset. Every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan.
Now, why everybody ready here know the tap?
They are not our people.
Wow.
No, they are not our people. Most of them are not our people. They are just new people here. Let's keep tapping.
Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear.
Damn, tap. So they
Every
talk about it.
setback.
Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's get to 2K likes first. 2K likes.
Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin.
All right, thank you guys.
Trust your path.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. God bless you all. Thank you for tapping. Please, let's do well to keep tapping. Don't let us to stop. So you are all welcome to today's live stream. My name is Rachel. For those people that don't know, I go live every day. Okay, I live stream every day to trade with family here. I teach, I help traders here, and we grow together as a trader. So you can join us every day, 9 a.m. from Monday to Friday. The weekend like this is every anytime in the afternoon, anytime in the afternoon. You see me go live Saturday and Sunday. All right, before we resume our normal daily live stream from Monday to Friday. So what we normally do on Saturday is we see how we can take trade at least maximum of 3 trades for the weekend. That is on synthetics. So on Sundays we do weekly buyers, currency pairs. After that, then we bounce back to synthetics. So you are welcome if you're just joining. Thank you for coming through today. So update on last week trade. This is the last trade that is running for our last week trade. In fact, this week we just end now is a very crazy one. We had losses, a lot of losses. Okay, we had a lot of losses. So it's not a good week. It's not a good week for me and my guys in our VIP, and that's the gospel truth. So for the since 13 weeks in a row, we'll be having it win back to back. But the 14th week, which was this last week, this one that ended yesterday, Friday, all right, it was a very bad one. I won't lie, it was a bad one. So this weekend, we see how it goes. We see how we can take any good opportunity. And I hope next week is going to be a good one. All right. So thank you for joining, and let us start. SML, what's up? I greet you.
Good, my boss.
Yeah, well done, boss.
I don't ask of V50. I don't take one trade for them.
Okay. So before we go to V50, this V10, I'm looking forward to engage on this V10 with confirmation around there. Once I get my confirmation, where market is now, I want to see a rejection from here before I engage for a buy. So V10, V50, Abby.
I thought V10 that sell, that pullback way, that massive pullback. I did on sale last. I did on sale.
Okay. So
this morning with my team.
All right, this one at V50, Abby.
V50, yeah.
Okay. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Let's tap. All right. So first thing first, let us see what we got on our 3-month time frame. All right. So let's see what we got on 3-month time frame. Let's keep tapping, family. Let's keep tapping. Let's go. All right. So here we go. On our 3-month time frame on V50. All right. We have a massive drop. Okay. When market give us this push, we have this pullback, a higher high, before market drop massively.
Yeah, brother, good afternoon.
All right. Good afternoon.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're analyzing. I'm already in on V50.
All right, no problem. All right. Is this your first time?
Actually, no. I was on V10.
Is it your first time? Is it your first time joining? That's what I'm asking.
Oh, I changed my name. That was
Okay. What's up?
So it's not my first time, brother. It's not my first time.
All right. It's just the name. I didn't really know this name. That's why.
I changed the name. I'm the song guy. The guy who loved the song.
Okay. Oh, my brother. What's up now?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
All
So,
right.
so do your thing. Do your thing, alright?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. So let us analyze these guys now. So now on our 3 month, I told the market is very on a downtrend. So we have this support level that got broken, that becomes our resistance, and market is trying to pull up to that area on 3 month time frame. So on our monthly time frame, let us consult the monthly. So on monthly, as you can see, we have a massive push to the upside. Okay, we have this massive push to the upside, and market is doing some pullback on the monthly time frame. All right, so on weekly, here we go on weekly. As you can see, weekly candle give us what? We have a lower high, lower low here, lower high, higher low, higher high, equal low right here before we have a break to the upside. All right, before we have a break to the upside. Bello Junior, I greet you specialist. How you doing? Okay, before we have a break to the upside, and we have this resistance level here that got broken to the upside. Can you see? So that is our what? Our weekly support, our WS. So this WS, you see that when market break it, it gives us a nice rejection right here. So why are we having this rejection? This rejection was actually coming from this guy. So for market to give us this rejection, then we should look for what? Selling opportunity. This is weekly what? Weekly resistance level right here. All right. So on our weekly, we should do what? This candle should now be a sell to the downside. All right. So let's go to daily and see what we got on daily. All right. So on daily time frame, okay, because our bias is to sell, we need to sell to this our area. Our market has not gotten there. So let me mark it out. This guy right here. Okay, that is our what? Our daily support area. All right. So if you look at that area, this is where we have what? Our breaker block that got broken to the upside. Our market has not tested at all. And if you look at this area, you will realize the market has not gotten it. It has not gotten to the point before it starts pushing to the upside. So this push to the upside, I'm still hoping the market is going to drop. So we go to 4 hours and look for a fresh resistance level that we can use for this sell. Please, let's keep tapping. Now, here we go on our 4 hours time frame. We are still looking for what? A sell to this area. And if you look at this guy, you realize that we have a breaker block right here. Breaker block right here. But the main thing is we want market to come and give us a touch around here. Inside this box is where I'll be looking forward to buy this V50. Okay, so on 4 hours time frame, let us look at the structure together, guys. Please, let's keep tapping. So market give us what? A massive, we have a series of what? Lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, then market is pulling up. So from this guy, okay, we have a push to the downside, creating this inducement leg. All right, before we have a break to the upside. Market has taken out the inducement area, right? So if I'm gonna be taking this trade now, I would rather go for sell. Jesse, go check your brother. And these are the reasons why I'm going for the sell. All right, here my entry model, I have this my 4 hour resistance level right here. Okay, which is our 4 hour. All right, the market now give us what? From this 4 hour, market give us a break to the downside. All right, creating this resistance level. All right, yeah, as well we'll be looking forward to what? Sell from. That is my 4 hour. Okay, and this is our what? Liquidity, engineer liquidity that market created, and this is the nearest zone for our sell. So we'll be taking the sell to this leg. All right, so let's go. So up here, I will now try to look for what? A fresh order block that has not been mitigated. That is the other block we're going to be using for this sell. So let's go to our 1 hour time frame to look for order block that is very fresh. Under pressure into priceless eyes. Now, above here, right? Look at this other block here. This guy has been mitigated by this guy. I'm coming. Let me check properly. Let's check. This guy, okay, it got broken to the downside. All right, market has used it. So you check the 15 minutes on. Please, let's keep tapping. You check the 15 minutes on. You check the 15 minutes on here. So the 15 minutes here, we have this guy has been used. This one has been used. This one has not been used. So this is the one we'll be using for our entry. Please, let's keep tapping. Here we go. Here we go. So we just wait for market to come and tap in. So let me just name this as OB. So let's go back to our 4-hour time frame. Profitable myself every time. So here we go. So from this area now, we'll be taking our entry from this guy. All right. But before we take the entry, we check the 15 minutes. Once we have the rejection from 15 minutes, I'm going to engage for a sell. So I'm going to be putting alert here. Please, let's keep tapping. It's supposed to be a sell limit. Let's go to 1 hour. Keep your vision clear. Every setbacks, be the stronger you. Let's check the 15 minutes again. It's supposed to be a sell limit. Put entry here. I said it's going to be above here. Hold your fingers when we feel break those seasons getting near. What's my truth can change your life. So we now target the low. That is the low we are targeting. The lowest low right there. So this is the low we'll be targeting. So we wait for market to come and give us a rejection. All right, then we're going to engage for a sell. Okay, then we are going to engage for a sell. All right, so let me just take this one side. All right, so alert is there. Once I hear the alert, boom, you quickly come back to this guy. So that is that for V50. Please, let's keep tapping. So if you are buying, I will advise you to do your break even, so that in case if the market go in our own direction for sale, then you can actually, the market is just going to hit your break even, and if it's not giving us opportunity, your buy will still continue. So that is that for that V50. So I want to see what is actually going to happen here. If I have a nice rejection, a nice pullback here, I'm going to engage for a buy. Well, let us see what is actually going to happen. That's for this. Every time V25S. Yeah, you know we are on a buy on V25S since that yesterday, so market is still pushing one. This is the only trade that we had that is running. Okay, like I said, this week was a very bad week for us. Was a bad week, so we are on buy on this guy already. So V75, I'm looking forward to long V75 as well. Every setbacks, you the stronger I am. Let me take this one out so that this will not confuse you guys. Let me explain this guy. So let's go to 3-month time frame. So this is V75 that I want to explain. So on a 3-month time frame, you all can see that this guy is bearish. All right, market is bearish. Now we are having a pull to the upside, right? So on our monthly time frame, you see that we have a massive push up, which is a bullish engulfing candle. to the upside. Okay, to the upside. So there's possibility that we might still have some push again. All right. So after this engulfing candle, market give us a spiny top. This spiny top. So this spiny top can actually still give us more continuation to the upside. So now let's go to weekly time frame. Jared, go and do it in the room. Do you hear me? Go and do it in the room. All right. So on our weekly time frame, okay, you all can see that we already have this push. A market has already done what? A pullback. Doing a pullback to this area, rejecting from where? Rejecting from this resistance level that becomes our support right here. And when we have this support area, we expect what? This was 2 weeks ago, and this was last week. It created a support level, and from that support level, this is the present week. So I expect this present week to reject, then give us a bullish candle to the upside. That is what I want to see, to give us a bullish candle. All right. So if you now go to, now we are looking for buys, right? Now if you now go to our daily right now. So on daily time frame, I'm looking forward to engage my buy from this level. I will tell you the reason why I want to use this guy for a buy. This is our DS. So market created this DS, all right? This DS was what? A lower low to this, all these lows. Okay, it broke all these lows. The market break this high to the upside. Then we have this lower high, the higher high. So this guy is an inducement area. So this is a liquidity the market has not taken out yet. Okay, I think market took it out. So market reacted from that engineer liquidity. So I expect market to do what? To come back to this guy. So this guy, I will want this guy to give us the buy by Monday. Okay, I will want this guy to give us the buy by Monday. So I will actually want this guy maybe to keep pushing like this. All right, then buy. Do you know the reason why I want market to do this? It's just because, you know, on weekly time frame, if you go back to weekly, let me show you something. On weekly now, I want to foresee a rejection here, because if this guy should come here, or else if the market can be so fast, because this guy is going to close tomorrow. This weekly candle now is going to close tomorrow. Or else if this guy can actually quickly come down here, react, then close back. So by the time he closes back, we're now going to be in profit respecting this guy. Or this guy should reject, close like this. Then the next candle that is going to open by Sunday evening, you should now push down, tap us in, then push up. By the time I keep pushing up, you will now see that it's going to respect this resistance support level, and you will see it keep pushing to the upside. So two things is likely to happen. So if this daily candle, okay, if this daily candle can turn bearish and reject today we might have a bearish candle that is going to be around here. Then the next candle is not going to push up. That is fine. Or the daily candle should just be around there. Then the third daily candle should now come down, trigger, and buy. You understand? So this is what I'll be waiting for. But if I realize that now the weekly candle is likely to close around here, I don't think I'm going to engage. And look at this, my trend line from here. Please, let's keep tapping. Look at my trend line from this area, from this lower low that we have here. All right, market push up, then he later broke it. But before he broke it, we have a rejection right here. He broke it. Two rejections here, one, then two before he broke. All right, so right here, market now did what? Market break it and give us double rejection. After the double rejection, we have another rejection here. So I want market to come down to give us a tap here and push up. You understand? So from here, I want to see I want to look for opportunity to long this guy. And if I'm longing it, I'm longing it to this high. I'll be logging it to where? To this high. So that is what I have on this V75. Please, let's keep tapping. So this V10S, let me quickly see, because I don't want us to miss out on this. Let's quickly see. Please, let's tap. Aha. So if this guy is closing like this, then no opportunity here. So we're just going to stay away. Then there will be no what opportunity to engage for a buy. Okay, there will not be opportunity. So we wait for this candle to close, and it's going to close in the next 90 minutes. All right. Every time. So I will want this guy to pull up so that we can sell this guy. Today is Saturday, so we need to be patient with the market. We need to be patient with the market. So let's see. Please, let's keep tapping. Let me draw this trend line and see. Every setback with a stronger end. Patience, babe.
Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Break those seasons, getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Raise the odds on profitable mindset every time.
This is our 1T, our 1 hour trend line. Okay, please, let's keep tapping. All right. Which is a nice point. I think what I'll be doing on this guy is I'm going to be having a sell limit on this guy. Yeah, let us have our sell limit here. Aha, nice place. Our eye should be here. Yes, let us have our sell limit on this guy. Let me take away this guy. I'm going to be having sell limit on this guy. This is the entry. Please, let's keep tapping. Patrick, thank you. The SL. You talk too much. Keep quiet. Talkative. This is our support, the target. Here is the TP. So this is going to be our first trade. Safe chart. So I'll be posting this one now. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you so much, Patrick. Thank you. Please let's keep tapping. Jesse, don't bring your mommy's phone for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Love it over myself every time. Please let's keep tapping, family. Let's tap, let's tap, let's tap, let's tap, let's tap. So this is going to be our first entry on this for the weekend. Okay. We wait for market to come and tap us in. Please let's keep tapping. So let me go post this. I think I've taken the picture. Let's keep tapping, guys. Let's keep tapping. I want to do a sell limit on this account, and I won't be logging out, logging in on the other ones. Every time. Let's tap, let's tap, let's tap. That is V50, okay. That's don't lie. You're the stronger, yeah. Hold your faith, don't trade with fire. Break those seasons, get in here. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Run to your dream. Prove it every answer. Every time. CM time frame, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so limit 10289. One oh two 8906 1035561 991071. Okay. Which coin is that? This is V50 V50 ordinary. So give me a moment. Let me quickly post this guy. Okay, there's no need, sir. Please let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Break those seasons, get in here. So I want to post this one now. V50.
Richie,
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
you don't notice something.
Yeah.
That place where you put pen, the comment section dey block am. You know the na why people dey always ask you what is pen, what is the pen, what is the pen. That midway in there, I think is much better. That's why people are asking.
Okay, where did this thing is, Abi?
Where the pen is. Comment section now for here now, they block am. You no go see am.
Okay, it's true. It's true. It's true. Okay, I will see how I will bring them up now. Thank you so much. Please, let's keep tapping. This is weekend signal. Always risk low anytime you're taking trade on weekend like this. All right. So if it is $50 you normally risk $25. Don't fight back. Don't say because you have some bad days over the week, you now want to use one big lot size. Don't do that. Because if you do that, you go just blow your account, you go blow everything, and it's not going to help. It's not going to help you. Okay, so it has been posted on the both VIP and this thing now. It has been posted. Please let us tap and share this live stream. So you give me a minute so that I can take this trade here too. Please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Okay, she said to bring it. No. Take it back. Take it back. Now give it to her. Hey, my brother, what's up now? How you doing?
I just find out. Are you still trading today?
You said?
Are you still trading today?
You don't know how much is your VIP? It's $20 for VIP. You don't know?
You know what else?
We dey take 3 trades every weekend now. It's always free for VIP and the free Telegram group. That's how we do it. You say you know what rest? Brother, I do. Na money me I dey look for. I don't rest. So make sure no dey rest.
Make sure no dey rest. I see like people wey dey there around me. I know they check this week. That your guy every day.
The way I won't understand this game now, you see, no matter what, it just be like inside Bible when God tell Moses that to tell his people that they should not go to what do they call her? River on Saturday. Not to go fishing on Saturday. You understand? You know, say that Saturday. Truly, they say fish the yakpa there, fish the menu that time. But just follow the instructions. Say no go.
That's the thing.
I understand. You can do it anytime. Just have a person pick just one day. You know the way me I see trading now. Except if I'm trading currency pair that has to do with the economy. Okay. So both synthetic and gold, you can trade them the same way.
Yeah,
you can trade them as virtual. You can trade them as virtual trading. You know, even though they follow gold follow economic issue, how to put it, analysis, but synthetic is just a normal virtual stuff. So I want to believe that anytime you come there, you always see trade to do. It's just for somebody to tell himself, okay, this is how I want to do it, this is the day I want to do it, because your brain will always be occupied if you always have it in mind that you want to trade. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, I understand. Not every day, but normally, for your trading plan.
You should never say yourself. You should never say that your brain is okay, 3 times in a week, 4 times in a week. You see, if anytime when you come to market, now you want just trade, your brain no go get time to relax.
No, they when you come live, sometimes you go.
No, what I'm saying that if there's any time that you set aside that okay, on these days you do the trade at all, even though you just want to check, see, I dey tell people anytime when I tell people about trading, they will tell me say na me no learn, na me need to go and learn. See, nobody go tell you say strategy take 30% of trading, while emotion take 70% of trading. Because once you are able to control your mind, that is when you are a trader. But it's hard for people to accept, and that's which me I dey go through on a regular basis, whereby I fit talk say normal, I get best strategy, I get nice strategy, but you see that emotion, na maybe 10%, na I go give myself. Because if I tell myself now that I just want to reach $10, if I lose that $10, I go put another one. Even though I tell myself that once I want to lose. So that has been the problem now, whereby and that was part of the game. Up until you're able to fight those ones, both strategy aspects, emotional aspects, discipline aspects, that is where you can now call yourself a trader. And then that's what person do now, waste of time.
Everybody they go through that emotional aspect.
Yesterday now, I tell myself say I want trade once. I traded once. As I love the money, my brother, I put another money, even though I don't plan for that money that I put. Imagine that kind of thing now. This has always been the problem. Nobody needs to tell me say this is my problem. And when I call the tell person my problem, you can't tell me say no, I don't get right knowledge. Come pay mentorship. No, all those things bullshit. You don't go do something for over 4 or 5 years and go see the person go see the tell you waiting to do. How many years they take they do course for school? Not 4 years.
The thing be say you don't know your problem, but now to fight am.
They fight am now. When I go to fight my problem, they go call the tell me say my problem no be my problem. Say now that's my problem. So that kind of thing now. It's annoying now.
Update your trading plan. Let your trading plan be what fighting it for you.
Like I get people want to tell you how to trade, but nobody want to give you money to trade. That's the
As
problem.
in, babe.
When they tell you say this is your problem, give me, maybe you don't do it.
Hey, Bello Junior, what's up?
Good afternoon.
I greet you specially.
I think let us just be to while away a little bit more time. Let us just reanalyze that V30s, please.
V30s, Abi?
Yes, you are on it. But I just want us to reanalyze it just to check.
No, we don't close them now.
No.
V30s, V30.
And now?
V30.
You
No, I'm on profit of it. Close them.
Eh?
V31s, V31s.
And now we don't close them now.
You know close them.
I said we don't close them.
You don't close them. When?
Go check this thing now.
I didn't see.
Go and check the VIP. We don't close them.
Try to analyze that so that thing is not.
Okay. I'm on drawdown. I don't even know. Say.
We don't close them. We don't close them. The only trade that is running now for last week is only this one. This 25 1s. Every other one, even the step index, the sell limit, we've closed the sell limit. It's only this one that is running now. Only this one. Yeah.
In V10s, we asked us to close them.
We don't close 30.
30 took us out. The second trade took us out. The second buy limit took us out. But you didn't ask us to close.
No, wait, I'm coming. Yeah. Yeah, are you there? Are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Bello Junior.
Hello?
Yes, now that one don't took us up now. So the second one, I told everyone to delete it. You know, so we did break even on that one.
You told everyone to quit it.
We did break even.
Message, yo.
No, you don't understand. The second one, the buy limit, the buy limit took us out. So the second one, you know, say the first one where they run before was on buy limit. That one was buy limit. break even rather. It was a break even trade. So market never hits break even when I said we should just close
Break-even
the
trade.
trade. And now,
Probably I didn't pay attention to it.
no, you don't understand. The second position,
But I don't
that
think it was different.
no, the second
I
position,
understand what you're saying.
that one took us out.
Okay, yes.
So the first one where they move in probably before. You know, say we don't do break even on that one. Abi, you know do break even. There is a break even.
Hello, you said what?
There is a break even on the
Break even,
first one.
right?
And there's a break even on the first one.
My network is a little bit bad today. Don't worry, just go ahead.
Okay. So let's see what will happen here. Let's see. Then this okay, this is V50. This V10S. All right. So this one is not giving opportunity. So no opportunity here. So we are going to stay away on this guy. Okay, we are going to stay away on this guy. So no opportunity right here. So let me go to daily. Let me see what this guy is likely to do. Let's see what this guy is likely to do. And on our weekly time frame, what I'm expecting this guy is for market to keep pushing up. Let's go to weekly. Let's go to weekly.
Don't bring it.
So our last week candle, we have a bullish engulfing candle. All right, a bullish engulfing to the upside, which is on weekly time frame. And if you look at this, you realize the market is on the uptrend. Market is pushing to the upside, which is something like this. If you draw a trend line like this, connect it this way. Okay, this is our WT. All right, this is our WT. Okay, we have a touch here, second touch, then here is the third touch. So there's probability the market might push here and push up again. So now let's go to daily and look for where we can engage for this kind of buy. So far market is not ready to use this area. He actually pushed up nicely here, but later came down, and I think it took us out here. I think it's on break even. Yeah, it took us out on break even on this trade for last week. So here you see our daily support. Then here we have our daily support here too. But with the way market is dropping, it's likely to come back to this our breaker. All right, this breaker, this area. Okay, where we have this imbalance. So this point of entry, point of interest, which is our DS. All right, and if you mark out your fib level from this low to this high, okay, so this is 50% level. So inside this range, I want market to come back to this area at least, so that we can engage for a buy, because what we have here, we have morning star confirmation. There's a morning star confirmation from this area. So I want market to push up, push down to this guy. That is the next area I'll be waiting for. So let us go to 4 hours and see. Okay, here we go. So this breaker block is what we'll be using for this buying opportunity from here. So once we get a confirmation like change of character on 15 minutes around there, that is what we're going to use for a buy to this high. So now we have the opportunity to take a sell. So this kind of trade now, if you now want to take this kind of sell, what I will do, all right, beautiful. So what I'm going to do on this guy is this. Please, let's keep tapping. Is this marking out this eye? Okay, which is my 4C. Let's keep tapping, guys. Which is my 4C. Then I go straight to 15 minutes, or 15 minutes is when I'm going to engage on this. All right. So let me see. So what I want to see now is I want market to pull up on this 15 minutes, to come back here, give me some kind of rejection, then break down. All right, then that is when I'm now going to engage for what? For a sell. This is V10. So let me quickly see how I can bring this thing up. Let me see how I can bring it up. If I put it at the middle, I don't like it to be at the middle. Let's see, maybe if I can put it on the left. Okay, maybe if it's going to be like this.
Okay.
Is it okay, or it should be at the right?
The thing is that it depends on how you now position your camera.
Let me see, right?
Your camera is not showing everything. I'm just saying now. You have to move it to the right or move it to the left, anywhere it is. Yeah, it's not bad.
Take it away. Okay, I think it's okay this way, right?
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay, I don't want anything to disturb me at the middle here, so that's why. So now, let us just wait for this guy to come in here, anywhere to react from. Let me see any possible area. Okay, we can have a rejection from this guy. We can actually have a rejection from this guy, which is our 15 hour. So let me take away this guy. So if market can come here, reject, then do some high low. Once I have a break to the downside here, we're going to take our sell to this our DS. So that is how we're going to engage on this. You understand? So that is what we're going to do. So that is for V10. That's for V10. So this V50 as market tap us in. Let's confirm. Okay, so we've been tapped in now. Okay, so market has triggered our sell position now. Market has triggered our sell position right now. Please, let's keep tapping. Market has triggered. So let's see how it goes. So that is V50. We're going to bring it up here. Don't tell me that you guys can bounce this thing. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure. Please, which broker are you using? This is we use Deriv. So if you want to register, you can use the link on my bio. Just click the link on my bio and register with Deriv. So this guy, I want market to pull up, pull down. That's what I want to see. Then I can take my buy position from that area.
Deriv day maintenance today. I don't know what that person can register.
But I think I saw that when I saw this thing yesterday when they messaged me, so I decided to go and check this morning. I saw that. I think they always do their and it's very good. They always do their maintenance over the weekend.
over the weekend. Yes,
It makes
they get
sense.
over the
It really
weekend.
makes
It makes
sense.
sense.
Last week
And
they
do
did
am
the same too.
frequently, oh.
Is that?
They don't they allow 6 months pass them. They do am frequently. Like,
Yeah, you understand. So it really makes sense. It really makes sense. So which pair are we looking at now? Which pair are we looking at? V50. Okay. No, this V50 now. We are on the sell on V50, bro. You're on the sell now on V50. Okay. Ratio to profitable mass. We are on a sale. We are on a sale. We are on a sale. Okay, here we go. We are on a sale. So which pair do you want us to analyze? Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Which pair do you want us to check? So BTC, okay, let me quickly talk about this BTC.
Ratio.
Yes, sir.
Ratio.
Yes, boss.
I think I noticed something. I think our mode of entry has changed. Has it changed, or is it just me that just attach anything? No, I noticed it. It's not like before.
No, don't be say it really changed. What happened is, you see, around that point, I want us to have
a little bit because.
No, let me explain.
Because I'm telling you that you're always having a tight SSL now.
No, let me explain.
Yes, are not like before.
No, if you check, it's not really a tight one, but on higher time frame is tight. Now, this is it. Let us assuming we want to market this like this, okay, so that we can get a better RR, okay. So let us assuming we want to buy around there on what is it called, on 4 hours time frame, okay, around there, and the 4 hour is giving us a week, it's giving us a long week, right? So now we have a long week like this, right? So under the week there's actually a zone below it, like a other block that is fresh. If I see a fresh one below, that is what we use, and we put our SL below. Unlike maybe you just put your entry around there, maybe something like this, then we want to put our SL like this, okay, we want to put our SL like this, and I discover that there is a zone right here, okay, then we can actually use the other block like this. It's going to make our SL kind of small, you understand, to get a better RR. You understand? So that is just the difference.
That means you are going for sniper entries now.
More of sniper. You understand? More of sniper. Yes. More of sniper.
Yes, I understand.
That's why I said this coming week is going to be better.
Yes. I think this with this self, even with the SL self, you still can manage it.
Yes. So another advantage is the one that is volatile, okay, people will be able to take it. Yes. And you can actually risk low. There's no need of risking high. Yeah. So that is the reason for that.
Yes. It's a good thing.
Yes.
It's a good development.
Of course.
Because I've been noticing, I didn't just want to talk.
That's so. Don't spoil this thing. So please, let's start. So like this one now, we put our SL above this guy here. The one that we use here is the 15 minutes here. If you go to 15 minutes, okay, this area, okay, that is where market is using at the moment. So market is using this area at the moment. So our SL is just above this zone. So let's see how far we can go.
Okay.
Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. One smart move can change your life. So which pair do you want us to check? Which pair do you want us to check, family? Profitable myself every time. So I wanted to talk about this BTC. I want to talk about this BTC. Okay, so let's go to our weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, we have a massive drop to the downside, breaking these lows. We have a lower low here. Okay, we have this lower low. All right, market reject from this resistance level. So if you check our monthly, let me show you something on monthly first. So on our monthly here, when we have this break from this support level to the downside, we expect market to push up to this resistance level now before we can have a push down, or market can decide to push up to this guy. Okay, so if you now go to weekly, our bias is to go for more buys, right? So on weekly time frame, you see that market give us a nice rejection from here, giving us a kind of head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. So this is what, like a, if you want to call this one as a fake out, then maybe yeah, market is consolidating anyhow, but we have a double rejection coming from these guys. Okay, so let me take this guy out so that it won't look rough. So now my expectation is I want this guy to keep buying to the upside, and our last week bias on BTC is for BTC to keep buying, right? So if you now go to daily time frame, all right, you will see that market has been buying. This was on Sunday. From here, you see it keep buying, buy. So if you check this our daily time frame, all right, if you take note of what happened here, we have what, like a breakout from here to the upside. Market did not sweep this high, take note to a hand, but at least from this leg that we have, market created a lower low, breaking this low, creating this what, another head. It breaks down, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Okay, so two things is likely to happen right here. Market can decide to use this guy to drop. Market can decide to use this guy to drop. Do you understand? This guy can be an inducement leg for this area. This one is inducement leg for this area. Okay, so when market push up to this area, I think we have a tip of touch here. We have a tip of touch around here. So I'm expecting market to break this high to the upside to this guy. Okay, and now secondly, this guy did not give us a touch. It was very, very close. And if you look at the way this daily candle closes, this daily candle closes above this guy. It closes above this resistance, closes above this resistance. So I expect this daily candle to push up. Today and tomorrow is likely to push up on BTC. All right, and with the help of the news that came out yesterday, if you go to 4 hours, with the help of the news again, all right, we had a nice push up, which is on Friday yesterday. Look at this guy. That was the news reaction to this upside. If you go and check your GU Euro USD, the high that market created, all right, the high that market created for the news, market is coming to take it out. Now, 99% that market is coming to take it out when market opens. If market open next week, you're gonna see that it's going to push up. So I want to see this BTC to keep pushing up. So the push up can actually happen tomorrow afternoon, because most of the time BTC, you will realize that you always use Saturday to just do some manipulation, but the distribution always come around afternoon till evening on BTC, if you notice that. So now what I want to see now is on 4 hours, you see that this was a rejection that happened from this our daily support here when we have a break. This is what the rejection that happened. We already have this sweep. Market has taken this low out of this candle, so we expect market to come and take the high. This was the high of the news, so we expect market to come and take the high out now. So market is on the consolidation phase here. All right, so we want to take advantage of that. So now if you look at what happened here, when market took out this high, this was a support, we have a rejection, it now creates a support level. So from this support level is when we want to engage. So our engagement is not going to be around here now for continuation for a buy. So if you go to your 1 hour time frame, can you see the high that we're talking about here? That was the news. When the news happened, we have this drop again. So from this drop, market now start pushing up bit by bit, bit by bit. So what market is trying to do is trying to give us like a rising wedge. Okay, that is what it's trying to create now. All right. So this is the 4S I want market to come back to. All right. So market has already created what engineer liquidity here. Market has broken this high. It broke it. Okay. So market has taken it out. I want market to come back. So this one is not like a manipulation phase, because many people could have engaged for a buy from here, thinking BTC is going to keep buying from here. But me, I will be waiting patiently for it to come back to this my 4S. And if you look at this area, we have a support level here on our 1 hour. So I will want BTC to manipulate, to play around there, to push down here. Then we engage our buy. Then we target that high. So that's what we'll be waiting for on this guy. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Okay, so that is that for this BTC. So let me put alert so that we won't miss this. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Small pin charger. How are you, small pin charger? What's up, my brother? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right.
Disconnect.
What did you come to do here before? Are you joking?
Huh?
What did you come here to do before?
I want to follow you.
I don't understand. You come up, you tell me to disconnect you. Are you new to TikTok? Miliado. Good afternoon, Miliado.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing, my brother?
I'm good, though. And you?
Yeah, thank God, sir.
I'm the guy from Togo.
Oh, my brother, what's up now? How is Togo?
Oh, good.
Oh, nice one. You're welcome, boss. What's up? So how is the trading journey going? Is it going well?
It's going well. I'm learning many things with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so this is volatility 10. This is V10, and this is 3 months time frame, as you can see here. And market is bearish here. Can you see? Market is massively bearish. Okay, massively bearish. So let us go to our monthly time frame now. Let's go to monthly time frame. Okay, beautiful. So monthly time frame is going bearish. It's going bearish. It's going bearish. It's going bearish. All right, so we have this support level here. The market has broken. and I thought it's going to reject from there before it start dropping. But now what market is trying to do is just dropping, just keep dropping. So let's go to weekly. We don't need to draw anything here. Let's go to weekly. All right, so this is our weekly time frame. So do we have a rejection here? All right, let's confirm this. Market did not really tap here, but market might tap on if you can check the reef. If you can check the reef, we might actually have the rejection. But here on trading view, we are not having the rejection. Okay, if you're having the rejection, then that means, yeah, MT5. Let me check the MT5, please, on weekly time frame. Maybe if this candle is rejecting, quickly check. Thank you. All right, so we'll be having some kind of rejections here. All right, look at that. Okay, so market is ready to break down now. Market is ready to break down. That is a strong resistance level. That is a strong resistance level. Please let me to check. And we have what? Our support level here. Okay, we have our support level here. The market did what? Market reject before it push up. It tapped very well. That is why we are. Oh my God. Now why? Now why? Now why? Now why? This is weekly support level. So they said it tapped very well. It tapped very well. That is why we are having that kind of pullback. Okay. So there's possibility that we might have another lower low. So far market give us this lower high, rejecting here, higher what? Higher low here, it rejects here again. Now we want to see a lower low for market to keep dropping. All right, so let's go to daily time frame. So here we go on our daily time frame. Our bias is we should just keep looking for sales. We need to keep looking for sales. We need to keep looking for sales. But what I'm going to do is we're going to mark out this support area first. All right, that is the nearest bus stop. That is our DS. All right, so we go to 4 hours and see if there's a way we can engage. All right, beautiful. So market has given us a break to the downside, a break to the downside, a break to the downside. So I'm going to use one of my styles to engage on this kind of sell now. All right, this kind of sell now. Let me mark out this close. Let's mark out this close. Then let's go to 15-minute time frame. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Let me see what market is doing here of 15 minutes. Please, let's keep tapping. Every setback, building stronger, yeah. Okay, so we have a zone here. Okay, so we have a zone here. So let us extend the zone. Please, let's keep tapping. Let me extend the zone. This zone have something to do for me. I have a business with this zone that I'm marking. I have a business with it. Oh, it's actually below. No. It's below. 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 It's actually below. Please, let's keep tapping. It's actually below. It's actually below. So this is the one I'm going to be using right here. This area. Okay, good. Aha. And that is where market is rejecting from. Okay. That is where market is rejecting from. Please, let's keep tapping to do a continuation. All right, to do a continuation from this area. Let's see if market is going to break out or is it going to push up a bit. Let me see the 5 minutes here. Let me see the behavior. Okay, so let me bring in my moving average. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let me see what my moving average is telling me. Okay, good. It's respecting that high. Very good. It's respecting this high. So there's going to be a possible entry for sale on this guy. There's going to be a possible entry for sale on this guy. So all what I'm waiting for is a break to the downside on 15 minutes. Once we have the break, I'm going to take a sell to target 1 to 2. That is what we're going to do on this guy. So 15 minutes, we need to come back by 2:45. 2:45, we come back to this V10. Please, let's keep tapping.
The race ain't over till the goal is won.
Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping.
Don't trade with
So I'm going to come back by 2
seasons getting near. One
to
change your life. Turn the pressure
2:45. Please call my attention to V10, 2:45 p.m. What is the pair again? V10. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't quit. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin.
This one no come back. What happened to this guy? This guy no come back. 15 minutes. Okay, he didn't come back. He didn't come back. So I'm not sure this guy is going to come back. I'm not sure this guy is going to come back. One small move can change your life. Profitable myself every time. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping.
Just don't lie. Keep your faith. Every single
You're the stronger, yeah. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. So which pair? Which pair? Next pair. Next pair.
let your wings
Next pair.
fly. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Break those seasons getting near. One smart move can change your life.
V75 and 15.
Turn the pressure.
V75 and 15.
This high.
V75 and 15. I'm looking forward to continue a buy from here on this V75. I'm looking forward to buy. This is 4 hours time frame to buy from this range to the upside. Okay, so that is on this V75. Looking forward to buy from there. So V15.
Trust your plan. Let the master flow. One good trade can change it all.
25 1s. Okay. Okay, so let us check this V15 together. Let us check our 3-month time frame. All right, so if you look at what happened here, you will realize that we have a push to the upside. The market pushed down here. So if you mark out your fib level from this low, the range to this high, let us see where market is trying to reverse from. It's using the golden zone area here, which is on our discount level, that you can actually take your buy. Did you understand? To the upside. And if you look at what market has done, market is giving us like a morning star here. This is a bearish candle, indecision candle, and now we are having this guy now. All right. So what do we need to do? We go straight to our monthly time frame. Let's go to monthly now. All right. So on our monthly, you see that we have what? A high, higher low, higher high. Market take this low out, giving us a lower low. Okay. Reacting from a fair value gap here, which I believe there is a key level around there that market is using. This open and close here, the market is using. But you realize that market created a low here, we now have another lower low. So from that lower low, market created another what? Boom, higher low again. So does that mean that this guy is ready to keep pushing to the upside? All right, look at this low. Let me change it to line chart so that you see. Look at this low, a lower low, then higher low, giving us like what? Head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. But another market is pushing to the upside. So do you think market is ready to keep pushing, or you still want to consolidate? Okay, because where market is here, this is a zone where buyers and sellers are trying to drag the market. All right, the sellers are saying that no, this thing is doing what? Is overbought. Why the buyers are saying that no, this one is oversold. So they are trying to drag the market, and we don't know, maybe it's actually going to keep pushing up or it's going to keep pushing down. Okay, so to me, what we have here is, let us see what the way market reacts. Market reacted here first as our what? As our monthly resistance level. Okay, that is a major resistance. It has become a very major resistance, a very strong resistance. And here, market do what? We have a rejection here too, which is our what? Our major support. So we have both major resistance and major support. Okay, which means for now, market can keep consolidating here before they will now decide. Maybe market will keep pushing from there. So from here, we have a push. Then from here, we have a push down. Now here, market push up here. So for market to push up, we should have another push down. Because this guy has push up, reject here, then we should expect a drop now to this guy again. You understand? At least this is how market they move now. If market push up this way, it push down. It should push up again, Abi. It should push down. It should push up again. Then it should push down. Alright? So for market to push down here, it has pushed up by giving us a touch here. It closed. Then we expect another push down again. That is what we need to do now. We should look for what? To sell again. Assuming this candle break above, you can say we should be looking for continuation. But for now, we should keep looking for sales. So on weekly time frame, can you see that market has already given us what? A bullish candle here, giving us a resistance level. So we should sell. We should look for sell. Alright, so we're going to be marking this resistance level here as our what? Weekly resistance. Weekly resistance before we go for sell to this guy. So we should look for how we can engage around here, irrespective of what is actually going on here. Because if you look at this weekly time frame, you will realize that this is a what? Consolidation phase. I'm coming. This is like a consolidation phase here. Jesse, go and meet your mom inside. Jared, you sit down here. Look at your trouser. Where's the mom? Just sit down. All right. So this is a consolidation phase here. So are we going to agree that this guy now is a fake out that happened? So are we going to agree here now that market is give us a fake out here again? Are we not going to agree again that market is giving us another fake out here? You understand what I'm saying? So if market should break in, then we should be looking for sell to the support here. Because market is still consolidating. That's what market is doing. It's not ready to push up. Because the way this our monthly time frame, the way this monthly candle closes, is showing a rejection. It's showing a sign. What are you doing here again? What are you doing here again? Go and lie down inside. Go inside. Okay, market is rejecting here. Assuming we have a break, that could have made a lot of sense. So let's go to weekly time frame. And let us see what we can do around there so that we can sell. And this long way the market is giving us, I even love it. So let's go to daily. Very good. So this is our daily time frame. So let us see what we have here. So on daily, okay, we have what? A push up, low, higher high, higher low, lower high. So market rejects from here, and we have a fresh zone here. This fresh zone is my what? Is our virgin girl. This is our virgin girl. Okay, that is our virgin girl area, which is our daily resistance level. Okay, please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So what I want to see, if you look at what happened right here, you realize that market give us a change of character, breaking this low. Okay, breaking this low. Then this highs that we have here is actually what? Our inducement area. Engineered liquidity. Because we have a break to the downside here. Inducement, right? So want to see market push up here and reject again. Do not forget that I said we have a strong resistance level that market has created here. All these areas is strong resistance level. So we're going to be engaging for a sell from here, which is going to look like this. Sell position on here, SL, right here. There we go low. Go down low to this guy. Something like this. Okay? This is what we're going to be doing. You understand? So now let's now break it down again. Let me put arrow here. All the SL we no gree chop for 13 weeks. 1 week we chop and we go again. Yes, so that's it. So please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. We don't chop SL on that one. That is for the weekend. That's very good. So yeah, I'm coming. Let me finish with this. Let me reduce this one now. Oh shit. And I said the SL for this week is crazy. We really chop them hard. We will say we celebrate 13 weeks now. This week, nobody want to see bad week. Bad week is not always good, but at the same time, it's good to have some bad weeks or bad days as a trader. Not all the time go this sweet. So here we go. Let us go to 4 hours now. I will not want us to engage for a buy from here. You just wait patiently. Okay. So we just wait patiently for market to come to this area before we engage. We're going to wait patiently for market to come to this area. So that is that for this one. So V15, let me put it on our favorites. So 12:45, it don't knock. Let's go to that pair, which was which pair was that? Is it V10? Okay, yeah, it's V10. All right, so the candle has closed. The candle has closed. The candle has closed now. So let me see if you can get this thing here. Can we get 1 to 2 here? Woo. Okay, this 15 minutes. Can we get 1 to 2 here? Let me see how the 15 minutes prints. Let me see. And the 5 minutes. Please, let's keep tapping. Okay, this is the 5 minutes. All right, let me quickly check my. Please, let's keep tapping. Thank God that it's coming back like that. Thank God that it's coming back like that, so that we can have space to take this guy. Just wait, okay? We're going to jump in for sell now. Just wait. If I say sell, amazing season getting in. One smart. I want to see how it's going to reject from that zone. Turn the pressure. Just be patient. Just be patient. Okay. Okay. I think we are good. So take your sell now. Give me a minute. Take your sell. V10. All right. Take your sell now. Okay. Okay. I'm coming, boy. Oh, nice. Good try. Every time. Ba-da-da-da-da. Just don't lie. You think the stronger you. Patience, babe. Wow, we took a set and the market is booming to the upside. Let me see, maybe it's going to reject there before I post it. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Hey, Jeremiah, what's up?
Oh my boss, like who they do analysis, who they check.
No, this is the second one, so we are not taking anyone again today. Not till tomorrow.
You know, so that V50. I will take I don't trade, but I don't buy. I don't take my own. I still dey run.
Okay, you know I told you should do break even. Just leave it.
Yeah, I don't do break even. I left it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. This is crazy. Let us leave it.
Give me that.
Let me bring this one that hit our V50, right? This week, ratio, it's a bad week for all. If you come back, you go pay me here. If this guy should come back, he go pay me. Because we have a zone here, and where I put my SL was just a tip of it, and that's where market is reacting from. That's where market is reacting from. Please, let's keep tapping. So this is move to bottom. So the one that we just took, no. Where is it? Where is it? V10. It's rejecting back. Oh. Okay, so let me be patient. Maybe I will still post this one. But if this one rejects, I'll quickly post it. Let me see, maybe I'm still on the trade. Okay then. V50. So this one was very, very close to hit my SL there. So let me see the 5 minutes. So if this 5 minutes close, then I will post this one if this one closes. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. This week is something else for us. Don't give in. Just don't one good trade can change it all, you know. season. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So, which pair do you want me to check? Which pair do you want me to check, guys? Which pair do you want me to check? So, this 5 minutes has reject. The 5 minutes reject from this resistance level. So, let us wait for a drop. Once we have the drop, I'm going to post it. V75. Okay. For how many for a very long time, this week is one of my most challenging week. For a very long time, most challenging. When I say challenging week, it's crazy. Now go think say now me they look for, so make I just enter V75. Okay. So V75, I'm waiting for market to come back to this guy so that we can take a buy. Let me show you. So we want this guy to pull up here, to come and give us a tap, then we push up. All right, that is what we're waiting for on this V75. Okay, that's what we're waiting for, this V75. So please let me just stick to this V10 first, so that if it's rejecting, I can quickly post this guy, and if it's not, then we're gonna say this is not gonna be our trade. It's likely to take us out. It's pushing up. Please, let's keep tapping. Jesus Christ. Please, let's keep tapping. So, ratio have a bad week. I have a bad week. I'm going to do a video based on it, concerning my bad week. You know, how can you come back? How can you control yourself? How can you be better? I am a forex trader, so it has nothing to do with me. You understand? But you that is watching, that you are just coming up, I always say, and I always prepare your mind every week. At least for the past 13 weeks that we'll be having it back to back, right? Which is good. So now that we have a bad week, are you supposed to be sad? Is that supposed to break you as a trader? Okay. There's some trader that for a whole month, for months, is back-to-back losses. You understand? So when you have plenty good weeks and one of the week is bad, no, that shouldn't. It's part of the game. If you cannot accept losses, then you cannot be a forex trader. You can't be a professional one. You understand?
Hello, Rachel.
Yeah, my brother.
I think we should look into step index. We'll leave volatility for now.
Why?
We'll just divert our attention to step index.
No, it no matter.
No, I know.
It no matter.
I know.
It no matter at all. Me, I don't do that too. Normally, it is the pair I focus on.
Volatility, but step index more.
And we will look, but now we are not taking any trade again because we've already done 2. Although this one I have not posted, so we've already done 2. You understand? So anywhere I see my opportunity, I take it, irrespective of the bad week.
I just said that now this thing, all this volatility with X, I think they move more faster, but these days they are not moving more faster like before.
Yeah,
I noticed that. That's why I tell people just look into what's it called?
15S. Let me break
Step
this one
index
down. On step index, let me go to. I'm coming. Move to bottom. No water what? Market no fish shake ratio.
I know. You get another week now.
Okay.
There's still tomorrow now.
Yeah. Let me go to 3 months.
Yeah,
okay. Let us check this step index 100. This step index 100 is not. Well, let's see first. Let's see. So on this step index, we have a massive drop down. We have a low, lower high, then a lower low. So presently, we have a support level right here. We have a support level right here. Okay. So let us go to monthly time frame now. So this is our 3MS. And market is breaking down. On the monthly time frame, market has already broken this guy. So this becomes, let us just use this same area as our what? Monthly resistance now, MR. Okay, so this is our MR. All right. So what we want to see is continuation to the downside. So going to our weekly time frame. Now going to our weekly time frame, monthly. Okay, weekly. So we have this resistance level that market is rejecting at the moment. Now, that is rejecting now. So let us mark that area out, which is this high. Oh, sorry. So please, by 3:30, I'll be closing this live stream because I want to watch my team, Manchester United, playing against PSG.
Chelsea, they play now, sir.
Okay, Chelsea are playing now.
Yes, now I'm watching it now.
Wait, so Chelsea don't even win any match for their preseason.
They win this one now 3-0.
And they are winning this one.
Yeah, they are winning this
Chelsea
one.
and who?
AC Milan.
AC, wow, that's crazy.
AC Milan.
That's crazy. So we have this our weekly resistance here. So if you go to our daily, please let's keep tapping. If you now go to daily, you realize that we have what? A lower low, lower high, low, higher high. It's rejecting from that weekly resistance. And from there, market is ready to give us what we call a 3 inside down. What is 3 inside down? I said 3 inside down. 3 black crowns. Look at that. 3 black crowns. That is what market is giving now. So for people that have the money, I might take this trade on this thing, but I will check if I can take it. If it's not going to be above what I can risk. If this candle close bearish, it closes below this guy, I'll be taking my sell like this. SI is going to be here, and I'll be going all the way down, targeting this guy. You understand? That is on higher time frame. This is swing trade, right? On daily time frame, but you go far. You go really go far. So from here now, we should be looking for what? Selling opportunity. We should now be looking for selling opportunity from that point. You understand? So let us go straight to our let's go to our 4 hours time frame now. So here we go on 4 hours. So what we have on 4 hours, we have what? A high, higher high, low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So market has created series of what? Lower low, lower highs to the downside. Okay, low, high, lower low, lower highs. Now it has broken to the downside. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's tap, let's tap, let's tap. And we have this trend line. Look at this trend line here that's going to help us for this trade. So this trend line is going to be what is it called? Our breaker that happened here. This is 40. Okay, that is our 40 trend line right here. Okay, from here, series of rejections here. Then market finally break out, and when it broke out, it did what? It rejects, it pulled back and drop, giving us a bearish engulfing candle. So with this, all right, I still expect market to push up. Okay, to still push up to around this area and push down. So anywhere market is pushing that up to, we'll be using a fib level to take the trade. Let us assume it's pushing from here. We'll be using the fib level to take our trade to the downside. All right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, what's up?
I'm good.
Yeah, well done, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. So I will want market to pull up to this area before it drop down. You understand? That is what I want to see in this market on this step index 100. Okay, so that is my simple bias here. So I just believe that this coming week is going to be a good one. That is my belief. That is my belief. That is my belief.
It's a new beginning. It's a new beginning.
Yes, it's a new beginning because the SL we chop this weekend is not a good SL.
It's not a boss.
Not a good one.
It's not a good one. As in, you go to say they get us for mine. Now why? Market get us for mine. Get us for mine. As in, it was crazy. So market can actually reject from here to the upside.
The annoying ones. You see the one. Those ones that went from entry to SL. Well, you don't pay me.
Yeah.
That one don't pay me now because it's a normal thing. But the one where go down do like dog say, it go your way. God they go back, go back and say, this V30.
Yes.
Is the one that annoyed me the most. That was why I was asking that we reanalyze.
Yes, now it was crazy.
You know, he went to our drawdown.
I swear.
Almost 6 times.
I swear.
He will still go back, push well.
I swear.
Well, come go back to drawdown again.
He can't react like he reacted like currency pair.
Yes.
He reacted like currency pair. That was crazy. That was crazy. So guys, this is my bias on this. This guy, I can do some scalping on, not actually scalp. What I mean by the scalp is taking a trade on lower time frame like 5 to 15 minutes around there for a push up. Because this is a strong support area, this area. So market can bounce up, then drop again. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. So which pair do you want us to check, family? Please, let's keep tapping.
Let's go to 200. Step 200.
Don't give in.
But that V75 is going to buy. That V75, huh?
The V75.
V75.
Let me see.
That means 75 is going to buy.
It's going to buy, but it go still come down.
Yes.
It go come down. It go come down.
Let me look at this thing. Where is it?
It go still come down. Because if you go to your daily time frame.
No, this even the 4 hours, what the 4 hours is showing is there. 4 hours is going to come, then it's going to go up then come down again.
Yes. This guy, market is coming for it. I mean, 98%. The market is coming for this guy. And look at the way this previous candle closes. Okay. So this one is just trying to do some pullback to the upside. But I hope we can actually have a good trade. Even if market gets here, if market not take us out before it will go our way again. It should have mercy. So step 200.
Step 200, yes.
So let's go to 3 months. It's going to be very risky to take trade on this step 200. The only thing you can do is just be doing support and resistance on this kind of condition. If you have this kind of condition like this, market condition, just be doing support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. It is purely that. So I don't need to do anything here. Let's go to our monthly. Support, resistance, support. Market gets to one resistance. That is how we're going to do this. So now on our monthly time frame, we don't need to talk about this one. This is what we need to talk about. So first and foremost, I think we have a rejection here. Okay, we don't have a rejection. Look at this area. We don't have a rejection here, which is our MR. Here, we mark out this support here that got rejected, which is our monthly support. Which is our monthly support. We have this resistance here. Let us assume that this is a rejection too, but it actually break out, right? So let me just take that one out first. So let's go to weekly and see what we have on weekly time frame. So this guy that I said market is not touching. If you check your MT5, I believe market is rejecting. I believe for market to give us this kind of rejection, I believe market is rejecting. Market will tap if you check your MT5. All right. So now, like I said, support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. Okay. So if we look at what happened here, we see that we have the consolidation phase here. Which is our weekly support. So from this weekly support now, you see market consolidates here. You now have a break. Now market coming back here again. So if you have any candle close below here, we take a sell to the support area. That's what we're gonna do. So now we have his room to take a sell to this guy. All right. So let's go to daily. So this is what we have on daily time frame. All right. So here now, many people will be looking forward to say they want to buy from here. That they want to buy from here, but it's actually going to be risky. Market can do this and drop. It can manipulate some people to the upside and drop again. You understand? So this area now on our daily time frame, we should be looking for what? For sell to this guy. So we can now use this support area for the target instead of that weekly support. This guy. Which is our what? DS. So what is market trying to do here? Market is rejecting from this guy. Double rejection, which is our DR. So we want to look forward to sell to this guy. That is what we need to do right now, right? So we go to our 4 hours time frame. All right, so here we go on our 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we have a push down, lower high, equal low. Market started doing resistance level here. Market has broken here. So So we want to look forward to do what? To sell this guy. So if market can push up to this resistance and sell again, it's going to be good. So this is a major resistance here, and this is a fresh resistance the market is giving us. So if market can push up here, okay, it's going to be good for what? For a sell. From here, then we just sell to this guy. Are you guys with me? Pressure. Because here we have what? A break of structure, market break to the downside here. So if you now go to your 1 hour time frame, every time, look at that. So we have a rejection coming from here. We have this low, another high here, market breakdown, break all these guys. So market can pull up to this resistance, then we sell off something like this. But it's just that this thing is volatile, right? This is a good place to engage for a sell. This is our 1 HR. So this kind of sell, if you take your sell position like this, you just put your SL like that, then you go low. So this kind of trade now, I believe that you see that this was the bias we have before, the sell limit, Bello Junior.
Yes.
This
That's
is
what he had before. It's still the same thing now.
it's still the same thing.
It's still the same thing now.
It's still the same. You see, Anna, it's still the same thing.
And I think he's going to come back to that place. So.
Yes, so to come and sell.
He's going to come back to that place. But me, I don't delete and sha.
Yes. It's better the way we delete it. So let us look at the behavior. Let's see, maybe it's going to come back. Once it come back, I'm going to call it for a sell on that.
But I don't mark on my empty drive. I don't mark those points already. So this particular point.
Yeah, Abi.
This is your entry.
Yeah.
On 1 hour, I marked it.
Okay.
This resistance, I marked it also.
Okay.
So that if I just maybe I just get a few times, if I go check out, if you don't go there, me I go enter.
But I think it's volatile, Abi. Can you hear me to check the price there? I don't forget.
Let me check.
Thank you.
Check it.
Okay. All right.
$20 to $25.
$20 to $25. Okay. It's not much.
That's the smallest lot size.
Yes. It's okay. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Our VIP, $20 to join. Then $10 for two weeks. So I think I will be giving a grace for throughout next week for that $10. Maybe after then I'm going to remove it. So the discount on that, my mentorship, I've closed it already since yesterday. It has been closed. Please let us tap and share, guys. We had a bad week. So hopefully this week should be a better one. This is going to be a very nice one. Nice sell. A nice sell. Okay, a nice sell.
Please let's tap and share. So it's only this guy that is going well now. That is crazy. Bello Junior, you know you say this one we won't eat our SL before. Now that one can't they go well now.
This one, sir, this one, he play around this place.
I swear. He play around though.
He get one move away. I just think I just close out. If not, I have a trade that is giving me, that is not allowing my trades to go or draw down.
Yeah.
That V100.
Yeah. You for closer.
So that's why I left. That's why I left those trades. It was the one that compensated all this drawdown.
It was crazy.
This MTN network is not good today at all.
I can hear you. It's okay. Market, yeah. Now, wow. It has been long. When I say it has been long, that Rachel, do you have a fixed RR? No, I don't have a fixed RR. It has been long that I have this kind of a bad week. Let's see happen. They're gonna follow us enter weekend again. I don't have a fixed RR. I don't have a fixed RR. So V75 1S. So after this one, we will be done because I want to get prepared for the match. So let us go to 3 months. Here we go on 3 month time frame. As you can see on our 3 months, market was busy. It's trying to push up. So where market is there is very risky. It's very, very, very risky. Number one, we have this resistance level here, and we have this our support level right here. Okay. So let me mark this guy, our first resistance. This guy, our second support that become resistant. Which is our 3 MR. This one too, 3 MR. Because this one, market can still reject. Market can reject from here. All right, so let's go to our monthly time frame. All right, here we go monthly. So you see, this is why I said it's a very, very dangerous area, right? Market is trying to reject from there and it wants to push down. It wants to push down. And if you check this monthly time frame, there is no zone actually here that I will want to mark for market to come and mitigate. All these ones has been mitigated. So this guy too has been mitigated. So market just came back to that 3 MR, all right, and it's trying to give us this injection. So let us go to weekly and see. So on our weekly time frame, you see that we have a resistance level here that got broken. We have a resistance level. So this is the recent one that has not been rejected before, but yeah, market rejected and it broke above. So it broke above that level. All right, so before I can be comfortable for this buy, I need to see market breakout. Okay, to break out and give us some pullback, then we engage for what? A continuation. But if market doesn't do that, where market is here is a very strong resistance level. Or this zone is a very strong resistance level that can push the market to the downside. Okay, look at the market condition. The market condition is not too good. It's not friendly. All these kind of market conditions are not friendly. So you need to be very careful. So if you go to daily time frame, this is what we have on daily. So this is daily. As you can see, we have this trend line right here. Okay, let me show you. Which is our DT. Okay, we have this DT here, and we have this rising wedge that we had before. So look at the rising wedge, and market broke it down again. Okay, so the only thing we can do here is to use pattern for this thing. Just use pattern and trade your trade. Okay, so market break in again. All right, market broke in again. It broke in here, it pull up, now it's breaking inside again. So the best thing for this guy now is to do what? To just do a pullback like this, to give us opportunity, give up, and we take ourselves to this trend line. All right, this is going to make a lot of sense, and this is our daily time frame. So we have a strong resistance here. You see this area, so let me mark it out. So this area, you can use this area to buy, okay, to take a buy to the upside. All right, so this is what this is DS area. Let me take this one out first. All right, so this area is a very strong resistance that becomes a support now, and this is a liquidity. Can you see this liquidity and general liquidity before you have this higher high? So market can use this other block right here and push up. Okay, so on our 4 hours time frame now, all right, when you now go to 4 hours, you see that on 4 hours market has already given us what? A nice rejection here. So let's go back to that daily. Let's go back to that daily. Okay, yes, can you see market has already gotten to that level? It's rejecting here. So if you now go to 4 hours, you see that 4 hours is already giving us what? It's already giving us a CLT that we can use for confirmation. All right, market tap in here right here. Look at this support here too. Okay, market did not actually tap. Can you see this area? All right, which is our what? 4S. Okay, so buying from here is not a bad idea at all. It's not a bad idea. It is not. It's a very good area to buy from. Very good area. Abu Bakar, thank you. It's a very good area, this guy. Okay, this is your what? Inducement area, guys. Please, let's keep tapping. This is your inducement area, guys. Engineer liquidity, that's what we have there. Okay, all right, and market is giving a confirmation for what? A CLT right here. All right, a CLT. But guess what? Market can still push down. Market can still push down because this is the leg. This is the support that we mark. So beneath here, we might have like 1 hour or 15 minutes order block. So that is fresh. Let's now check together, guys. Let's check the 1 hour first. Let us check the 1 hour first. All right, beautiful. Look at this 1 hour on. So look at this 1 hour on that we can use for the entry. Did you understand? So this 1 hour is enough. We don't need to now go to lower time frame again. This 1 hour is enough. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to mark out the eye. Yeah. This level. So when you take your buy position, long position like this, your SL is going to be below the low like this. Okay. Then we target the trend line. Then we target the trend line. So this is going to be a very good trade. And I'm going to post this one right now. So, all right, this is our one. Let me just name this as OB. Okay, as OB. And this is the 4S. So let me reduce this our daily support here. Let me reduce. So this guy is going to be an entry. So TP is going to be this week like this. Profitable master every time. Do you understand? You understand how we're taking this trade now? Okay. Mind you, this guy is rising wedge, right? So we have a breakout here, market coming back in here. So we want to take the buy from this guy to the upside. All right. So that's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. Charts don't lie. Let me go back to the 1 hour again, because this 1 hour, I hope it will not come to the support, or better still, because this guy is very long. So let us use the middle range. The middle range is better this way. The mid range is better so that we can have a better space. Then we can reduce this a bit, something like this. So yeah, it's better. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. All right, beautiful. So we're still going to have a better RR with this. Okay, good. All right, so here we go. So here is our TP. Let me mark it out. Our entry point. Our SL. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. What? Oh yeah, got it. You said put much, okay? Let it be much. Yes. Please, let's keep tapping it. So, and this guy, I'm coming. Let me go to daily, because our bias is what to get to this. Our TP is not going to be that zone. Like. This our TP is not going to be that zone. I'm going to, on these 4 hours, I'm going to be using this eye. This our resistance level. It's supposed to be this leg, but let us use this resistance level here. So I want to post this one now. Give me a minute. Let me quickly post this, guys. on the VIP and on the free Telegram group. This is V75 1S. V75 1S. Please, let's keep tapping. So if this is your first time, you're welcome. V75 1S. Join us every day. Weekend signal. Copy.
Patience breaks, let your wings run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with
Okay, so it has been forwarded.
breakthrough seasons getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough seasons get near.
One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless to profitable mindset. Okay, so that is that, guys. So if you have any question, you can send a request because I'll be leaving anytime soon. Okay, like I said, it has been tough for this week, but next week, this market have to cooperate. You have to cooperate. What strategy are you using? Well, my strategy, simple way of trading. Simple way of trading. You understand? Simple way of trading. That is my strategy. Simple way of trading. All right. So I know next week is gonna be better. It's gonna be better. Please, let's stop. Family, let's stop. So if you have any question, you can send your request. Let us talk, guys. Let's talk, guys. Let's talk. How do you control yourself whenever you have a bad day, a bad weekend, a bad month? How do you control yourself? Why BTC one day push now? BTC why now? BTC please come back, oh. BTC come back, oh. Come back, BTC, please. Please come back. All right, guys. So I need to go right now. Tomorrow, by the grace of God, I will come here by in the afternoon, maybe by 2 thereabouts. I'm going to come live. So make sure you take care of yourself. Take it easy. Whenever you're having some losses, just take it easy. And be calm. Just take it easy. Don't fight back. Everything's gonna be all right. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow and enjoy the music and take care of yourself. Bye, guys.
Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear.